The Legal Zone is sponsored by Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers and 300hurt.com.
You hate to imagine how a deadly accident or one causing serious injury would impact your family. Calling an attorney, probably the last thing on your mind, but it does need to happen quickly. And attorney Richard Smith is here from Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers. Why is calling a lawyer so important right away in these situations?
The same as it is in any other type of case. You want to make sure that you preserve the evidence in the case, especially if liability is a question. And it's the last thing you want to think about when you're dealing with a loss of a family member, but you have to think about that kind of thing because you don't want the evidence lost.
Right, and you can't just expect the insurance company to pay their limits, can you?
That's true. If there's any type of liability issue, certainly you need to get an attorney. Even if you get the limits offered, the court has to approve these death claims. You need an attorney to do that. And we also got to make sure that we get all the coverages available. We've had a case before where we were able to get $1 million extra coverages that were not available to the injured person had they not hired an attorney.
Yeah, and we know cases involving death, they require extra compassion, extra attention to detail like you're talking about. And you also help with probate. What does that entail?
That can be very time-consuming and very difficult. We do that as a service to our clients in these cases. Help them set the estate up, go get the court to approve the wrongful death settlement and that sort of thing. We've had some cases we had to do a lot of work to find errors. You always want to have a will or a trust to avoid probate if you can, but most people don't have wills, unfortunately.
Absolutely. Well, at Smith & Becky Injury Lawyers, your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, also Social Security disability claims. Anybody watching can contact you at 300hurt or they can visit 300hurt.com.